Another van that's joined us today is this Ford Transit. It's been painted with Raptor, and it is very, very tactile. It is a really nice finish on this. But Paul was saying that he has had a bit of a problem in certain places because the priming, you said the priming wasn't done properly, Paul.
Yeah, it's got graffiti spray underneath it, and it's reacted with the paint, with a special Raptor paint.
Right.
And in areas it gums up and bubbles up, so it's literally got to be all taken off again, rubbed right back down, reapplied again.
Right.
So something we didn't know about.
Yeah.
We didn't think it would react.
And just continuing around the outside, some nice off-road tyres.
Yeah, they're 235 70 by 16s, proper sort of mud and snow, but they don't hum or anything.
Right, so can we have a look inside?
Yeah, doors open.
Right.
Yeah, man.
So, again, we've got the fixed bed, and do you want to show us around?
Yeah. Well, basically, the fixed bed's a new edition.
Right.
It was two singles you can make up into a bed with a table in the middle.
All right. Yes.
But as I found out, I never ever put it. It was always a bed, and it was lower.
Yes.
So it was just wasted room, and I was struggling for space for storage. So it was only a couple of weeks ago I went, right, that's it, I'm raising it, making a garage,
Right,
which
yeah.
has been fantastic, and I still got plenty of room to sleep in the back.
Yes.
So managed just well. The only thing we couldn't have is the telly in the back.
Right.
I want enough room, so I've moved that now. But then from over there, then we come into, we've got cupboards, all storage in the back. This has all been built for 500 quid, it cost me, the whole lot.
Wow.
I bought these for 50 pence each, and just had them on magnets.
Yeah.
And I got a friend to make me all the framework and everything. We just basically went to Magnums in Grimsby.
Yes. Yes.
And all this covering is like a real thin, like 2-3 millimetre, like an oak. You can actually cut it with a sanding knife.
Right.
And literally we've got sheets and sheets of it, of £10 a sheet. Because it'll have like a little imperfection or something in it.
Yeah.
So didn't mind,
Right.
it was on a budget. So, and then we bought all this trim as well. We got from them just to hide it all up, just to.
So you did you make the frame and then?
Yeah. Basically, it was all done with. We just did it on cheap on MDF.
Yeah. All right. Yes.
And then we just covered it.
All right.
So
I see.
everything's
yes, yeah.
covered in. So we have like a wardrobe area in there with gas bottles in the bottom.
And what sort of gas system have you got? Is it just Colour at the moment?
Yeah, I'm just on Colour at the moment, but I'm going to convert to having refill.
Yeah.
So I'm going to get the pipe work connected so I can open the side door.
Yeah.
And then the unit, that was how I first started building. It was straight out of a caravan, as it was. So you've got the full grill, underneath here, the hob, oven, which is always used, storage everywhere for pots and pans, and underneath there, fridge with all your So, but this is all going to be redone. I'm going to put new worktops on it, and I'm going to get the doors all painted to match everything else, and gloss the table.
And you're running a
just running a cool box, because the fridge I've got is because it's so old.
Yeah.
I only run it on hookup.
Right. Yes. Yeah.
I don't, because I have kids in the van. I don't trust it with a gas.
Yeah.
And 12 volt, they just suck it.
Yeah.
They're too old to run on the 12 volts. So I've just got a little portable one I use just for the summer, and just for me. But this folds down and all makes into a bed as well.
Yeah.
So one of my kids sleep on there, and then I've got a converted camp bed for the front, so one of the other kids can sleep in the front.
Yeah. And what What electrics have you got?
I'm running solar. I've got a 275 watt solar panel on the roof. Through straight down into 2 batteries. I've got no inverter or anything because I don't really use sort of a lot of expenses, but I could do with an inverter for the now and again situations. Running a Propex heater. I know a lot of people, but when I did the van, they want these Chinese diesel heaters. My only option was like £1,000 for the expensive ones.
Yeah.
So I went for a £500 Propex, which has been brilliant.
Yeah.
It really is. It's simple. I've never had any problems. It's just on off, and job done.
And what batteries have you got? What battery bank have you got?
Just 220 watts, amp hours each, just basic. But
and is that on a split charger as well?
Yes, I've got a split charger running to the van, so when you can drive as well.
Yeah.
And a hook-up battery charger as well for campsites. Yeah. It's just a pretty basic setup, but for what we use it for, it's just for a telly, now and again, charging.
Yeah.
Phones and things like that up,
But no, it's nicely finished off. I think it's lovely.
It's getting there. I mean, one thing we had to have is a toilet.
Yeah.
Always. Way up.
Fell off there.
It's more of my little wardrobe. It's got coats and stuff, but just a portaloo underneath there.
Yeah.
Which is always handy in use, but it's just a nice little space.
And what do you do for shower? Do you shower?
Well, I'm lucky because I don't live full time in my camper.
Yeah.
So I can go to my boat. I've got a narrow boat as well.
Yeah.
So I call back in there, get washed, use the wash machine, or I can use family, because normally in the week I'm living in this in the weekdays. But I work sort of funny shifts, so I'm not away all week.
No.
It's only once a month I do, so I don't sort of, need it as much. Not the easiest to spin, but...
No. And you're saying that you've just fitted a swivel?
Yeah, I've got the twin double. Literally, it's just a lift up, and you go all round with 4 big bolts. Yeah. And literally, the whole double seat will spin round then to give you excess room, because it's wasted room at the moment.
Yeah.
But then you can spin that round, sit there and watch telly. I'm going to put a little table leg hole in there.
Yeah.
So you can use that as another table, as well as there for when there's 4 of you in here.
I didn't realise that you could actually spin the double seats.
Yeah.
So I mean that gives you a massive.
And they do it for all vehicles now. They're about £250 new.
Yeah.
I mean, I was lucky to find that that was 150. I got it second hand. But yeah, they're on eBay. They do raise your seat up that much. Yeah. A good bit, but it's just some.
But the versatility then.
Yeah.
Is being a double seat as well, rather than just a single seat that we've got. Yeah.
And then you can have a single, on a plate and just spin that round if you want to, so you can face out. But it's just more the double. Yeah. So you've got it utilises all that front space you've got. Yeah. When you're when you're permanently parked up somewhere, you can just spin it round and it makes a lot more room. It's just amazing.
We've got a light bar on.
Oh, is it on?
Yes.
Oh, it's on.
Yeah. What did you say?
At night, it'll just literally floodlights everything. It's amazing. Yeah. That was £65 off eBay. And then the little one, I just need to wire that up, that was £27.
Yeah.
Just gives it that more overlander look I'm looking for.
Yes. Yeah.
But yeah, when you're going down little country lanes, it's unreal how bright it is.
Yeah.
And it'll be good tonight.
And it just fits.
Fits on perfect,
and fits the image of the vehicle.
Yeah.
And a nice big roof rack.
You get a full kit with it for £65. It comes with all the wiring and a relay and everything. So just connect straight to your battery.
Yeah. And your solar panels are on your
roof
rack.
I've just put them on there. I've put them this side so I want to put a canoe on the other side. Yeah. Spare wheel on the roof because it's too big for underneath.
Yeah.
But yeah, I've got a lifting kit to come.
Right, yeah.
So it's going to be lifting about 50 mil. So it'll be up to about there, give it a lot more lift. And in the back I've got some new bigger springs. About to keep.
So
It's just
underneath you've got
it's just all me junk at the moment.
junk, but it's a nice big storage area.
All getting sorted. Yeah, well originally it was just like I said, it was just 2 seats, but converted into a bed, and it was just a waste of space. You had to move everything to get to the flaps to lift them up.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's because it's only recently done it. I've got to strip this lot out, box things up, because I've still got things like this to put on the van.
Snorkel.
We've got full snorkel kits, just in case we get flooded. So I do live on a canal. But yeah, it's just bits and bobs I've still got to finish off and get done. But
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.